Hello guys, welcome to WP Support Chat, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to install WordPress through Softaculous. So the first thing which we need to do is we need to make sure our hosting, right? Our hosting is connected with our domain. To connect our hosting, we simply need to point the name servers from our domain towards our hosting. So once you have connected your domain and hosting, after that you can get into the cPanel. In case if you face issues connecting your domain and hosting, comment below and we'll definitely make a video on that. So once you're inside cPanel, the next thing you need to do is you need to search for WordPress Manager. Go inside WordPress Manager. Out here you can see the different WordPress installations which we have. We already have 3 of them. This time we are going to do a fresh installation. So we'll click on install a fresh copy of WordPress. So in this software setup section, first of all you need to select the domain on which you want to install this copy of WordPress. For this video, for test purpose, we have created this test.wp support domain. So we are going to install WordPress out here. If you're installing WordPress for the first time, you will see your default domain out here. Once you have selected your domain, you can give a name to your website. So I'm naming it my test site. You can also give a description for your website. So I'm typing just a test. Out here where you see admin account, these are the credentials which you will use to log into your WordPress. So make sure you have a unique username and then keep a strong password for your website. This strong password will make sure that you don't face any problems, any security issues in your WordPress website. So keep a strong password. Below this, you can also keep an email where you want to get all the updates from WordPress. So WordPress is going to send you updates like if any new version of WordPress comes or if there is any security issue, WordPress is going to send you all the updates on this email. You can select your default language for the installation, and you can also install some default plugins like Loginizer, File Organizer. So if you want these plugins, you can also install any one of them. At the end, you need to click on the install button. Just make sure you have all the details correct. The directory should be blank. If you don't want to put the installation in any directory, just keep it blank. And you can click on the install button. So right now, Softaculous is creating this installation for us. And it says WordPress has been successfully installed. So let's try to go to this domain, this test domain, and see. Okay, you can see it says my test website and WordPress has been installed. Okay, so the WordPress has been installed on this test domain. The next thing you can do is you can also try to log in with the credentials we kept, right? So right now it directly takes me there, but you can also try with the credentials we kept. So this was how easy it is to install WordPress with help of Softaculous. It will just take you 2 to 3 minutes for the installation. And we definitely suggest you to use this program for installation. In case if you have any questions or if you face any problem, you can comment below, or you can also visit our website WP Support Chat and initiate a chat with us. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to make sure you keep learning WordPress. You learn all the tips and tricks we share with you. And thank you for watching once again.